So we will be doing some practice questions on bearings today, and I think we will have a better understanding from here. Bearings. A bearing is an angle measured clockwise from the north. The diagram shows the left shows on the bearing that is 127 degree, and the diagram on the right shows the bearings of the major compass directions 0, 360, 45, 90, 135, 180, 225. Let us solve one question. Example 10. A ship S is located on the bearing of 120 degree from the port A and 42 degree from the port B. A ship S is located. So see, from the port B, Shrimoy and Akriti, now see, it is not bearing anymore, it is the angle. From the port B, it is actually the angle. If you complete the triangle, it is talking about the angle. The port A directly north of port B, so this is directly in the north of port B. The distance between the ports A and B is 15.2 miles. Find the distance from the ship to each port. That means they have asked us to find this value. Let us say this is X and let us say this is Y. Okay. Now tell me, if this angle is 120 degree, what could be this angle? 60 degree. And what will be this angle?
Wait, I can't see that. Does that say S or 5 at the corner?
This is S beta.
Okay. For sure. Yes.
Now is it visible?
Yes.
So if this is 120, this is 42, this is going to be 8 and then 78. And this is going to be 60. Alright. Now, if I want to find these two distances, let us say this is X and this is Y, which rule will be used? Which rule can be used if we have been given an angles and the distance?
Cosine.
No, not cosine. Cosine is being used if two distances and the included angle is given.
Oh.
See the formula of cosine. You have got two squares, b square plus c square. So if only one distance is given to you, you will use the sine rule, basic.
Okay.
So you will write x upon sine 42 is equal to 15.2 upon 78 is equal to y upon sine 60 degree. So first you can solve x by this method. You can write sine 42 into 15.2 divided by 78. Now I want you to use the calculator. Tell me what is x. And for y we can write sine 60 upon sine 42. I think this should be sine 78. Sine 60 upon sine 42. No. Y will be sine 60 upon sine 78 into 15.2. Find the value.
पेटीएम पर 60
So wait, how did you get that?
What beta?
How did you get what x is equal to and y is equal to? Can you explain?
It is just a cross multiplication, dear.
Hmm.
See, if I solve these two parts, sine 42 will go up.
Yeah.
So x will be equal to sine 42 into 15.2 upon sine 78. And
What
when I
happened to sine 60?
sine 60 will be solved for y,
Oh.
the
Okay.
second equation. To find y, we will take sine 60 here.
I'm getting a negative number, sir.
Y negative?
Sine 42 is negative.
Come on, dear. Sine 42 can't be negative.
Then what is my calculation? Oh, sorry, it was in radians, not degrees.
See, the graph of sine is from 0 to 90. It increases.
Can you hear me? Is the first answer 10.4?
We will check. You just write it down. What about you, beta?
Am I audible?
Hmm?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh my god, y is 13.5 and x plus 10.4.
Y is coming as 13 point
5,
and X is coming as
10.4.
let us check it out. Exactly 13.5 and 10.4. Okay,
Yes.
use the sine rule to find the length. Understood? Now another question. Only one question was there.
That's the only question they give to with answer.
Then where
Then
are
they
the
give.
other questions then?
So this is all we have.
Okay. Okay, let us see these questions. If you want, you can practice more of the questions on IXL,
Yes. I'll do that.
and it will immediately give you whether you have done it right or wrong. Use the sine rule to find the D of the diagram. Angle D. So if this angle is 19, how you will write? You will write sine 19 upon 3.7 is equal to sine D upon 9.2. I want you to solve this. Tell me what will be D. Sine D is equal to 9.2 into sine 19 upon 3.7. So D will be sine inverse 9.2 into sine 19 divided by 3.7. I wanted to solve this. Just check it out whether are you able to use the calculator properly or not.
Sir, is it 54?
Hmm?
Is it 54?
I don't know. You have to check.
No, that seems wrong.
Okay, let us check the solution. So it
So either 54 or 53.
the answer is not given, I think.
Yeah, they don't give answers for a lot of questions.
Let me find with my mobile. So 9.2 divided by 3.7 multiplied by sine 19 0.8, so 0.8095. So I have to find the inverse. I'm getting 54.04.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Tell me, did you also get Srimoy?
Yes.
Okay. Explain why the solution you obtained is not consistent with the diagram. Okay, now
In the diagram, it's shown as an obtuse angle, but 54 is not obtuse.
yes. The issue you just encountered is known as ambiguous case of the sine rule. Ambiguous means we don't know the value.
Yes.
When two sides and the non-included angle are known and the unknown angle is the opposite, the longer of the two sides, then two triangles are possible. Okay. Again, see this very important thing. This may comes in the case study or some other kind of questions. Ambiguous case of sine rule. When two sides and the non-included angle are known. So you can see the two sides and the non-included angle means either this or this is known. When two sides and the non-included angles are known, the unknown angle is opposite the longer of the two sides. So unknown angle means the angle which is not known, and we say that it is opposite to the unknown angle means this is the unknown angle. So we say it is opposite to the longer side. So longer side opposite angle must be always greater. So that's why they made it obtuse angle. So then the two triangles are possible. Now they are saying two triangles are possible. So this is not the right figure. So either it may be like this or it can be like this. Are you getting it?
Yes.
So either d can be you can say it is obtuse angle, or this is obtuse angle. Either of them is the obtuse angle. Okay, so they are not asking anything, they are just, it is just a concept. Overlaying these two diagrams shows how the triangles are related. Okay, if you draw a circle with center C and radius 3.7, then the circle will intersect the line at the points A and B. Check that angle A matches what you have calculated in question 1. Use the diagram above to explain why angle A is CDA. Use this relationship to find the correct solution to the missile angle in question 1. If you find one solution of missing angle in the ambiguous case is 39 degree, what is the other solution? What if the angle is x degree? Okay, Babre. So many questions. In the diagram on the right, the unknown angle is the opposite to the shorter of the two sides. The angle at G is fixed. Is it possible in this case to draw two different triangles? Draw them or explain why it is not possible. Why does the sine rule not always have just one solution?